I would like to propose some points for Pakistan and the conscientious world. One, we need equitable burden sharing. Terrorism at CT Finance, what used to be known as the Coalition Support Fund, cannot be a tip left on the table of counter-terrorism. We ask for structured investment in counter-terrorism, in counter-violence extremism, in modern technology and weaponry, the hardware for our resilience, and to view development as an antidote. Every school built in Waziristan is a bullet we never have fired. Let CPEC be joined by Peace-PEC, a people's economic and cultural corridor that funds micro-enterprise, women's colleges, and solar grids in areas facing the brunt of this new wave of terror, from ex-Fata to the shores of Balochistan.